Hello friends, this is round 42 of Star, Hearts and Pineapples tablecloth. Let's begin the round by making a slip stitch on the next stitch and into the space. Chain 2, 1, 2, and count this chain 2 as the first double crochet of the shell and mark this stitch. Then double crochet on the same space, chain 2 and double crochet on the same space twice. That's one, that's second, and the shell is made. Then chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet on the next double crochet twice. That's one, this is the second. Then chain 4, chain 4, and single crochet on the next loop, pineapple loop. Then chain 5, 1, 2. The pineapple has chain 5 this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next loop. Do it 4 times. 4 times now. So that was 1, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next loop. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next loop until there are 4 total chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and double crochet on the next double crochet. Chain 2, 1, 2, shell on next shell. Here's a change from previous round. After the shell we chain 1, whereas in previous round we didn't make a shell. Chain 2, 1, 2, and double crochet on next double crochet. And we have to mark this beginning, this shell. After the chain 1, we will mark this shell after the chain 1 as the beginning of the repeating stitches. So chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're on this, and single crochet on the next pineapple loop. Chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and single crochet on the next loop, and repeat this instruction a total of 5 times. So that's 1, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next loop. That's the second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, single crochet on the next loop, that's the third, chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, single crochet on the next loop, and that's the fourth. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and double crochet on the next double crochet and repeat the instructions twice. 1, 2. Then chain 2, 1, 2. Then shell on next shell. Then chain 1, and this is the end. The chain 1 is the end of the repeating stitches. So you will repeat from the shell after the chain 1 and all until the next shell and end it at the chain 1. So from shell to chain 1 you will repeat all around. So on the last shell of the round, make a chain 1 and slip stitch on the second chain of the beginning chain 2 of the shell. So that's how round 42 ends.